ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 418। What is the first hetu why the Akhyayika is given? Sukha pratipatyartham. So that the comprehension is easy. Sukha pratipatyartha Akhyayika. Durvigneyatvam. Durvigneya. What is the pratyaya in that?
Cha.
Durvigneya. What is the pratyaya you said?
Cha pratyaya.
No. Durvigneya. What is the pratyaya? Phal pratyaya. Phal pratyaya. What is the sutra for khal pratyaya? ईषद्दुस्सुषु कृच्छाकृच्छार्थेषु खल. So dus, dur or sush, etc. Dussushu. 33126. Further now in Tika. आख्यायिकायाः सुख प्रतिपत्त्यर्थत्वम् उक्त्वा अर्थान्तरम् आह आचार विधि उपदेशार्थश्च. What is the prayojanam for Akhyayika? Achar vidhi. This is an injunction of how one should get upadesha. Achar vidhi upadesharthascha. So one should do upasatti. That is shown. And how that upasatti should be? See in Tika. उत्तमादधमेन प्रणिपात उपसदनादि द्वारा विद्याग्राह्या. उत्तमादधमेन. Who is the recipient?
Adhama and Tam.
My question, Adhama is the recipient, not Uttama Adhikari, not Uttama Adhama. Adhamena Tritiya, Uttamat Panchami. Uttamat, from the Uttama, Adhama should do Vidyagrahanam. How? Pranipata Upasadana Adi Dwara. He should do Pranipata, he should do Upasadana. अधमात्तु उत्तमेन तद्व्यतिरेकेण. मात्तु उत्तमेन. Who is the recipient?
Uttama.
Uttama is the recipient. Adhama is the giver of the knowledge. So in this case, how Uttama and Adhama they will work out, they will explain. तद व्यतिरेकेण श्रद्धादि मात्रेण सा लभ्या इति आचार प्रकार ज्ञापनार्थश्च अयम आरंभः इत्यर्थः। आचार प्रकार, राजा इज ए क्षत्रिय, अजात शत्रु, बालाकी इज ए ब्राह्मण, इन जाति ब्राह्मण इज उत्तम. So if a Brahmana is teaching Kshatriya, Kshatriya has to do pranipata, upasadana, everything. If a Kshatriya is teaching anything to Brahmana, no need of pranipata, upasadana, only if he has to have Shraddha. Shraddhadi matrena salabhya. This is the meaning. आख्यायिकायाः यथोक्ते अर्थे अन्वितत्वं कथयति. In the आख्यायिका, this artha is anvita. आख्यायिकायाः अन्वितत्वं means आख्यायिका
Andita.
अन्विता स्त्रीलिंग. आख्यायिका is अन्विता. आख्यायिकायाः अन्वितत्वं कुत्र यथोक्ते अर्थे. What is यथोक्त अर्थ? This one, that how the uttama and adhama, depending upon who is playing which role, how the knowledge should be imparted. अन्वितत्वं कथयति. एवं in भाष्य, एवं आचारवतोः वक्तृश्रोत्रोः आख्यायिका अनुगतो अर्थो अवगम्यते. एवं आचारवतोः वक्तृश्रोत्रोः. So those who have such achara, such conduct, like that the two, Vakta and Shrota, Vaktru Shrotroho, Akhyayika Anugato Artho Avagamyate. This Anugata Artha of Akhyayika is seen. Tika. Vaktru Shrotror Madhye Yathokta Acharavata Shrotra Vidya Labdhavya. Between Vakta and Shrota, Yathokta Acharavata means in this way only, depending upon what is my position. So, position will not be decided based on how much learning I have, how much money I have, what is my status in life. According to Upanishad, what is my jati? Now, in this thing, people may like it, people may not like it. You have to understand this. If Upanishad says you are Brahma, I like it. If Upanishad says this is the way in which the knowledge transfer should take place, if I say no, I don't like that, this is not our choice. If Upanishad, I am accepting, either you take the whole thing or you leave the whole thing. I like that I am Brahma, so I will take that. I like this part, I don't like that part, so I will leave. So in this, then we will have our raga dveshas are the ones which are blocking us, that's all. वक्त्रा च तादृशेन सोपदेष्टव्य इति एषो अर्थो अस्याम आख्यायिकायाम अनुगतो गम्यते. वक्त्रा च तादृशेन सोपदेष्टव्य इति एषो अर्थो अस्याम आख्यायिका. In this आख्यायिका, this अर्थ is given. वक्त्रा च तादृशेन सोपदेष्टव्य. That the Vakta should be taught in this way. Tadrushena sopadeshtavya. Along with the upadeshtavya. Tadrushena means of that character. Upadeshtavya actually means should be taught. इति एषो अर्थो अस्याम आख्यायिकायाम अनुगतो गम्यते. So when a person is teaching and if there is a student who is of uttama category, you should not expect that you should do pranipata, you should do upasadanam, etc. Guru should say you don't need to do upasadanam, you don't need to do pranipata. In this way, this Raja will tell Balaki that you are a Brahmana, you don't have to do pranipata, etc. So tasmad achar vishesham darshayitum esha akhyayika yukta ityartha. To show this achar vishesha, akhyayika is very appropriate. आगमानुसारी गुरु संप्रदायात एव तत्वधीर लभ्यते. This tattva jnanam is praptam tattvadhihi. How? Agama anusari guru sampradayat eva. Agama means Veda. Veda anusari, those who do Vedanam anusaranam. Agama anusari guru sampradayat. In Tippani it is given Agama 9 number. Agama anusarana shilanam gurunam paramparataha. Sampradiyate iti sampradaya. That which is very well presented. Samarpita earlier, how it was given? Yesterday we saw Samarpanartha Arambha. Sampratipatti was given earlier. Samprati karma. This sampradaya. Yastu kevala tarkaha tadvashat naisha buddhi siddhyati. This is another point. Akhyayika says that only tarka is not going to give you this Brahma Jnanam. Yastu kevala tarkas tadvashat na esha buddhi siddhyati. Naisha tarkena matirapaneya. It is given in Bhashya also. तथा केवल तर्क प्रयुक्ता तत्व बुद्धि रीति संभावना निषेधार्था आख्यायिका. दिस इज थर्ड. केवल तर्क प्रयुक्ता तत्व बुद्धि ही दिस संभावना निषेध इज डन. सी इन भाष्य दैट पॉइंट इज गिवन. केवल तर्क बुद्धि निषेधार्था च आख्यायिका. दिस इज पॉइंट नंबर 3. नैषा तर्केण मतिरापनेया प्रोक्तान्येनैव सुज्ञायाय प्रेष्ठ. Online anybody?
यान्त्वमाप सत्यधृतिर्बतासि त्वाद्रं नो भूयान् नचिकेतः पृष्टा.
नैषा तर्केण. सो तर्केण एषा मति न आपनेया. न, complete the sentence, hatavya in bhashya. Neither through tarka you can get this understanding, nor through tarka you can refute this understanding. टीका. केवलेन तर्केण तत्वबुद्धिर्न सिद्ध्यति इति अत्र श्रुति स्मृति दर्शयति. थ्रू केवल तर्क तत्वबुद्धि न सिद्ध्यति. तत्वबुद्धि विल नॉट टेक प्लेस. दिस इज शोन इन श्रुति स्मृति नैषा तर्केण. न तर्क शास्त्र दग्धाय इति श्रुति स्मृतिभ्याम. न तर्क शास्त्र दग्धाय. So that vakya is completed in tika. Matim dadyat. न तर्क शास्त्र दग्धाय matim dadyat. The one whose buddhi is roasted by tarka only, don't give Brahma Jnanam to that person. All the time, all he wants to do is just tarka. Doesn't understand Shruti. Further, in Bhashya, Shraddha cha Brahma Vijnane Paramam Sadhanam iti Akhyayika Artha. Fourth one, for Brahma Vijnanam, you need Shraddha also. Shraddha cha Brahma Vijnane Paramam Sadhanam. Iti Akhyayikayaha Artha. Akhyayika Artha means Akhyayikayaha Artha. So, four reasons. First is Sukha Pratipatti. Second,
दुर्विज्ञ
no, Sukha Pratipatti. Durvigniyato is not second. Second one is what?
Acharya.
Achara. Achara Vidhi Upadesharthascha. This is second. Durvigniyatvam is first one. Sukha Pratipatti you call or Durvigniyatvam is same thing. That is first. Second is Achar Vidhi Upadesha. How the teaching should be given. For that this Akhyayika has come. Third,
Kevala Tarka
Kebala Tarka Buddhi Nishedhartha. Fourth,
श्रद्धा
Shraddha Brahma Vijnane Paramam Sadhanam.
so here in this Akhyayika, 4 points are there. Somewhere 3 could be there, somewhere some other points also can be there. But at least 2-3 points will be there if there is an Akhyayika. Sukha Pratipatti will always be the case. Upasatti will always be there. Some Achara is shown. टीका प्रकारांतरेण आख्यायिकाम अवतार्य तत्र आख्यायिका अनुगुण्यम दर्शयति. So प्रकारांतरेण आख्यायिका अवतरणम is done. आख्यायिका अनुगुण्यम दर्शयति. तथा ही गार्ग्य अजात शत्रवोः अतीव श्रद्धालुता दृश्यत आख्यायिकायाम. Between Gargya and Ajatashatru, lot of Shraddha is there. Raja also has so much Shraddha in this young Brahmachari. A Brahmachari, when he realizes that Raja knows more than me, he has lot of Shraddha. The Shvetaketu Drishtanta, most of you may not have studied that part. Shvetaketu goes to the kingdom. This comes in Brahadaranyaka later, in 6th chapter. And he knows, means he feels that I know everything. My father has taught me everything. Raja asks him 6 questions. Shvetaketu is not able to answer single question. None of that is related to Brahma Vidya. Those questions are about Sansaranam. When I go to the other world, then what happens? How do I go? Panchagni Vidya, all such questions are asked. He is not able to answer any. Instead of staying there and telling, okay, I did not know any answers, I thought I knew everything, you please teach me. Instead of that, out of arrogance, he just goes away. And he shouts at his father, you told me you have taught me everything. This Raja asked me 6 questions. I could not answer a single question. So what questions were asked? Father said, he gave 6 questions. Father said, even I don't know the answers to these 6 questions. Let's go to Raja. Shvetaketu said, you go, I am not coming. This is the difference between that Vidyarthi and this Balaki here. This Balaki, when he realizes that Ajatashatru knows more than me, he says, I will become your disciple. You please teach me. This is something that we should learn. Not how can you know more than me? I am not going to learn from you. In fact, I will try to prove how many mistakes you have in your learning. This is wrong, that is wrong. Such people, the history will never remember them, and they will also never rise up in their life. Vidya dadati vinayam. How many texts I have studied means how much humility I have gathered. Vidya is there, Vinaya is not there. That means Vidya is not there. It is like mango tree is there and no mangoes. Tika. So Akhyaikas, they show all these things. And you can compare Shvetaketu Akhyayika there in 6th chapter of Bradharanyaka and 1st chapter second chapter. Shraddha Brahmajnane Paramam Sadhanam iti atra bhagavatopi sammatim aha. And Shraddha is in Brahmajnana Paramam Sadhanam. You need lot of Shraddha in Acharya. Shraddhavan labate jnanam. Online, anybody? Shraddhavan labate jnanam without seeing.
Tatpara sanyatendriyaha param jnanam labdhvam achirena
Jnanam labdha param shantim achirena adhigacchati. This shloka everybody should remember. It's in 4th chapter. Iti cha smritihi. So 4 points are given. Akhyayika arthe bahuda sthite tad aksharani vyachaste. Now, Akhyayika artha is given in many ways. Now the mantra. See the mantra. Om Drupta Balakir Hanuchano Gargya Asa Sahovacha Ajata Shatrum Kashyam Brahmate Bravaniti Sahovacha Ajata Shatruhu Sahasrame Tasyam Vachi Dadmo Janako Janaka Iti Vai Jana Dhavanti. There is one mistake in the mantra. Hovacha Ajata Shatrum. So Takara is missing. Second line of mantra. Drupta Balakihi. This is the name of the Brahmachari, Shishya. Drupta Balak, Gargya. Anuchano Gargya. Anuchano. Anuchana, this Shabda, there is a sutra for it. Upaivan Anashnavan Anuchana. Anashnavan Anuchana. Upaivan Anashwan, sorry. Upaivan Anashwan Anuchana. 32109. Gargya, asa. So sometimes some question may be there. This Akhyayika means some such thing happened, then they wrote everything in Vedas? Or means is it like some history? Veda is like some history book that this happened. Asa is given. Asa means this was the case. This is how it was. There was somebody called Drupta Balaki. So it is not like that. Vedas have presented what is there. Akhyayika has a purpose. But that does not mean Vedas have added Akhyayika later, or that when some such thing happened, then they added. It is not like that. Vedas had this story, and then it happened. Story means Akhyayika. Anuchanaha. Anuchana means the one who is capable of doing Anuvachanam is called Anuchanaha. For Shvetaketu also in Shashta Adhyaya in Chandogya he is called Anuchana, Anuchanamani. Gargya Asa Sahovacha Ajata Shatrum Kashyam. He goes to this Kashi Raja. In Kashi, the king of Kashi, Kashi Naresh, Ajata Shatru, his name was. Brahmate Brahmani. He said, I will teach you Brahma. Raja was so happy just listening to this that somebody said, I will tell you about Brahma. I will teach you about Brahma. Sahovaja Ajata Shatruhu. Saha Ajata Shatruhu Hovaja. That Ajata Shatru said, Sahasram etasyam vachi dadmo. Dadmaha, I shall give. What? Sahasram. I shall give you 1,000 cows. Only for this sentence that I will teach you Brahma. Not for teaching Brahma. Teaching Brahma, if you successfully teach, I'll give you more cows. Just for this, I will teach you Brahma that you came to me, I'll give you 1,000 cows. Raja was large-hearted, very generous. Why he says this? Janako Janaka iti vai janaha dhavanti. Everybody goes to Janaka only. Says, Janaka, I will go to Janaka. I'm glad you came to me, he says, Ajatashatru. Kashi Raja, I'm sure he must have heard lot of Vedanta in Kashi, lot of satsang, etc. Kashi is known for Pandita. Vidyanagari. Now also they have given some such name, right? To Kashi. Vidyanagari. Janako, Janaka. Twice Janaka, Janaka is given. Means Janako Data, Janako Shrota. Janaka Shrota. Janaka is great giver of money. So if somebody wants some money, they'll go to Janaka. Janaka is great Shrota. Somebody wants to listen to Vedanta or teach Vedanta, they'll go to Janaka. In this way, people run there, but you came here. भाष्य तत्र पूर्वपक्षवादी अविद्या विषय ब्रह्मविद दृप्त बालाकीर दृप्तो गर्वितो असम्यक ब्रह्मविद्वात् ever up to this. So in this, who is the Purvapakshi? Purvapakshavadi is Avidya Vishaya Brahmavit. Balaki is not Purvapakshi. He is a Shishya. But why he is called Purvapakshi? Because he understands Avidya Vishaya Brahmavit. He is Avidya Vishaya Brahmavit. Avidya Vishaya means Avidyaya jo Vishaya. Avidya Vishaya. Tat Brahma. Iti Avidya Vishaya Brahma. Means Saguna Brahma Vidya. Avidya Upahita, 4 number tippani. Avidya Karya, Pranadihi. Hiranyagarbha, he knew Hiranyagarbha Vidya. And Hiranyagarbha, secondarily, Gauna Rupena, Brahma Shabda is used. Like some people, they still are confused about what is Brahma and what is Brahma. You were asking. Brahma and Brahma. Brahma and Brahma. Brahma is Nirgun Brahma. Brahma is Hiranyagarbha, which otherwise is sometimes referred as Saguna Brahma also. So they are different. In Sanskrit, Pratipadika is same for both, Brahman. But one is Napunsakalinga, another is Pullinga. Means Hiranyagarbha, Brahma is Pullinga Shabda. Nirguna Brahma, Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta is Napunsakalinga. So Purva Pakshavadi is the one who has avidya Vishaya. So he talks about avidya Vishaya. That's why he's called Purva Paksha. Drupta Balakihi. Drupta means Garvitaha. He has lot of garva, pride. And Asamyak Brahmavid. He went with pride, but he also had humility. See that other story of Satyakama Jabala also. He wants to study Shastra, no matter what. He asked his mother, what is my Gotra? Because Acharya has asked, what is the name of the Acharya? Haridru Mata Gautama Acharya. So that Acharya said, King Gotrosi, what is your Gotra? He went and he asked his mother, what is my Gotra? Mother said, I don't know. You are Putra of Jabala. You tell I am Satyakama Jabala. And he went and he just said whatever mother had said. Acharya accepted him. Then next section he becomes Guru. He is a Shishya, then he will become Guru. Haridruma Gautama. That was the Acharya there. So these Akhyayikas, they are pointing out some important qualities also. This Balaki is Druptaha, Asamyak Brahmavid. He does not know the Nirguna Brahma. Tika. Purva Pakshavaditve Hetum Aha Avidya Vishaya. Why he is called Purva Pakshavadi? Because he is talking Avidya Vishaya. Means Saguna Brahma. Garvi Tattve Hetum Aha Asamyak Brahmavid. If pride is there, that means he really doesn't know Brahma. See, Garvi Tattve Hetum is what? Asamyak Brahmavitvat. Because he is Asamyak. If he was Brahmavid, he would not have pride. Like Yagnavalkya ji, you will see. When in the Janak Maharaj Sabha, he tells his brahmachari, Somadatta or somebody, take the cows. So they said, cows are only for the one who claims he is the Sreshta Brahmavid, knower of the Shastras. Do you claim yourself? He said, no, I am not saying that. I just need cows. He doesn't say, I am great Brahmavid and all. I just need cows. We have ashram, what to do? So many brahmacharis to feed. We also need cows. Now ask if you have any questions. He was very sure nobody will stand his wisdom. But he didn't put it that way. Iyameva tu vang nimittam iti atrapi. When you see some Mahatmas, we should never think how much they will know and how much they don't know. They might be real great Panditas. And in Kashi and all, there are so many people, they know so many things, they just live quietly. Here also, quietly they live. Not only they know, they have digested the knowledge well. They are Brahmanishthas. And Jivite Maranevana Gridim Kuryat. And they also don't have this greed that may I live long. Nothing. Body drops, let it drop. इयमेव तु वांग निमित्तम इति अत्रापि कस्मात् इति अनुसज्यते. This is later. See in भाष्य बालाकायाः अपत्यम बालाकीर दृप्तश्च असौ बालाकिश्च इति दृप्त बालाकीर. What is the samasa? नीलंच तत् उत्पलंच इति. What is the samasa?
विशेषण कर्मधारय
कर्मधारय. दृप्तस्य सो बालकीश्च इति दृप्त बालकी. ह शब्द है ऐतिह्यार्थ. Aitihya means it is not like an itihasa that this happened, then they updated the Vedas. ऐतिह्यार्थ है आख्यायिकायाम अनुचानो अनुवचन समर्थो. This Balaki was Anuvachana means Veda Anuvachana. Somebody recites long mantra, he will repeat after that. Vakta, Vagmi, and he was a great speaker, orator also, Vagmi. Gargyo, Gargyo Gotrataha, Garga Gotrodbhavaha. He was in Garga Gotra. Asa, Asa Babhuva. Kvachit Kala Visheshe at some time. But don't look at it as a history. I am again and again telling you. Sahovacha Ajata Shatrum Ajata Shatru Namanam Ajata Shatru Namanam Ajata Shatru Nama or Ajata Shatrur Nama Yasya Saha Yes.
नामान
There is,
अजातशत्रु नामानः.
there is so much silence in the audience. Not Ajata Shatru Namana. Ajata Shatru Nama Yasya Saha Ajata Shatru Nama. It will become Dirgha. Tam Ajata Shatru Namanam Kashyam Kashirajam Abhigamya Brahmate Bravani iti Brahmate Tubhyam Bravani Kathayani. I shall tell you Brahma. In this way he said. This Vagmi, what is given for that, this tika is there. Iyameva tu Vang nimittam iti atrapi kasmat iti anusajyate. Why he was Anuvachana Samartha? Because he was Vagmi. That's why he was Anuvachana Samartha. टीका अतो ब्रह्मते ब्रवाणी इति वाग एव सहस्रदाने निमित्तम इति शेषः. ब्रह्मते ब्रवाणी, who said this? Gargya Balaki. When he said that Vag eva sahasradane nimittam, just the sentence, that shabdas, that itself is the nimitta for Sahasra Gavam. भाष्य स एव मुक्तो अजातशत्रुरुवाच सहस्रम गवाम दद्म एतस्यां वाची यां मां प्रति अवोचः ब्रह्मते ब्रवाणी इति तावन्मात्रमेव गो सहस्र प्रदाने निमित्तम इति अभिप्रायः. 1,000 cows are there just for saying that I shall teach you Brahma. For this much alone. Mam prati avochaha brahmate brahmani. So this is the go sahasra pradane nimittam. साक्षात ब्रह्म कथनम एवं निमित्तम कस्मान न अपेक्ष्यते सहस्रदाने ब्रह्मते ब्रवाणी इति इयमेव तु वांग निमित्तम अपेक्षते इति उच्यते. Why don't you say because he is teaching Brahma, for that teaching of Brahma, Sakshat Brahma Kathanam is a nimittam for Sahasradane. Not Brahmate Bravani, it is just this much Vak Nimitta is for Sahasradanam. Why do you say like that? Yatah Shruti hi eva Ragnyo Abhiprayam aha. Because Shruti itself tells the Abhipraya of the king. Up to this we keep. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritav Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.